Hey everybody, welcome back to Jessica Lynn Original Studios, your go-to channel for all things travel and adventure with a little bit of extra magic to help families get out and explore. So today we're going to take you on an amazing tour of the Wilderness Resort in the Wisconsin Dells. This place is seriously the ultimate family getaway, and I'll be diving into everything you need to know to make the perfect weekend trip here. We're talking about the best activities, hidden gems, and pro tips to make your family trip as fun and as stress-free as possible. So if you're ready to dive in, quite literally, let's get started. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more great travel tips as well as destination guides like this one. All right, so first, why would you choose the Wilderness Resort? Well, if you're looking for a place that combines nature, adventure, endless family-friendly activities, this is it. The Wilderness is actually one of the largest indoor and outdoor water parks in America. Yep, we're talking over 300,000 square feet of water fun, all in one water spot. But the cool thing about the Wilderness is not just a water park, though. There's something here for everyone, from toddlers all the way up to teens and us big kids. I mean, adults. So let's talk about the activities. The Wilderness has 4 main indoor, 4 outdoor water parks. Seriously, you could spend the entire weekend just exploring one of these and never get bored. But don't worry, I'm going to break down some of the highlights so you can pick and choose what's going to work best for your family. So let's start with the Wild Dome Indoor Water Park. This one is a family favorite because it has a massive wave pool with a large glass roof that makes it feel like summer, even in the middle of a snowstorm in Wisconsin winter. It is a must for families who want to have a little bit of sunshine no matter what the season. The Lost World Outdoor Water Park. Now, if you're going to visit during the warmer months, check out this Lost World. It's got thrilling slides like Halley's Comet Racers, a 4-lane mat racing slide, and there's the most amazing lazy river, which is kind of an adventurous river as well, where you can actually go up a conveyor belt and back down a water slide as a family. Now, I could spend time talking about all of the rest of the water parks, but I did a very in-depth video where I show all 8 water parks. I'll link it up in the upper right-hand corner. There's a little letter I. Go ahead and click on that if you're interested in watching it. I actually walk through all 8 of them and kind of give you some pros and cons to each park. So while you're planning, it's a great way, especially depending on what season you're traveling in, to know whether the water parks are open in the summer or year-round. And even though it might feel like it, the Wilderness isn't just about water parks. Oh no, they've got so many other unique activities that are perfect when you need a little break. So there's also the Northern Lights Sky Rope course, the Timberland Playhouse, which this one is perfect if you've got little ones. It's a 4-story indoor playground. They've got the Wild Abyss Indoor Mini Golf. Who doesn't love a little indoor glow-in-the-dark mini golf? And finally, escape rooms. This is perfect for teens or older kids. All right, now you're probably wondering, where can we eat, chill out a little bit, and relax between all of this action? It's a good question. The Wilderness has some of the most amazing dining options and a few quiet spots to relax. For example, right there to the left is the Eagle's Nest. It's located outside the main hotel, and it's a huge private one-of-a-kind cabana perched 10 feet above the pool decks of the new Frontier Water Park, and it can accommodate up to 25 guests. Right behind that, there's actually a swim-up bar for adults. It's indoor and outdoor. So depending on when you are there for the season, again, another amazing place to go and relax. They also have the Fields at the Wilderness. This is a fine dining option, and it is such a treat if you're looking to enjoy a nice meal while the kids are maybe at the kids club or with other family. It's a great spot to unwind, enjoy a steak, and just enjoy some local Wisconsin dishes. Other food locations include the Survivor Bar and Grill overlooking the wave pool, which is a lot of fun. They also have the Camp Social Food Hall, which offers breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and also has Mama Tiger Korean barbecue. There's also Swimmin' Chicken. So there are a lot of food choices for you to pick from. And don't forget that the Wilderness also has some 2 and 3 bedroom locations that have full kitchens, so you may be able to cook for yourselves as well. So before we wrap up, I just want to tell you a little bit about why getaways like this matter. So let's be real, life gets really busy, and sometimes you just need to hit pause and reconnect with the people that you love. Places like the wilderness give you a chance to laugh, to play, to make memories together, which is really what family time is all about, right? Whether it's sharing a good laugh on a water slide, helping your kid navigate through the ropes course, or just hanging out by the pool. Those little moments, they add up. Now, I want to give you a couple of really quick tips about planning because I want your trip to be amazing, and I want to give you some pro tips. So, number one, book early. The wilderness is very popular, especially during the holidays and school breaks, so be sure to book in advance to get the best rate and room options. Number two, plan for a mix of activities. Since there's so much to do, I recommend planning a mix of water and non-water activities so that you don't get exhausted. Number three, watch for special deals and packages. They often have family deals or package options that include different activities or birthday celebrations as part of their package, so take a look at their website. Well, that's it, guys. I hope this quick and easy guide helped you sort of digest everything that is at the Wilderness Resort in the Wisconsin Dells. Remember, I don't work there. I just enjoy putting these together to help you plan, because family getaways are about creating those memories, reconnecting, and just having fun together. So if this video helped you, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more family fun travel tips and all kinds of other adventures. And hey, you know what? Drop a comment if you've been to the wilderness or if you're thinking about going now that maybe you've been inspired. I'd love to help you plan your next perfect trip. Until next time, guys, happy travels and go make those memories.